So I want to tell you about what I have on. Now I have on the Waistband top, which we're going to talk about in a little bit with Linda Wardlow. But I have on the May So Confident project. And this is called the Edgewater Skirt. And I'm backing up so that hopefully you can see the whole skirt and see that it's cut up in these really interesting shapes. There are some curved seams, some straight seams. Excuse me, there's a dart that defines this side edge. So this is not a seam, this is a dart. And I have just filmed the video, which will be launched in a couple of weeks, a week from Friday actually. But this Sunday, you will get this information about preparing for the class. So the way we work the So Confident classes is on the first of every month, you get this prep letter that includes your materials list and cutting out and some fitting information and how to prepare your fabric and what you need to make the garment. And then the following week, on a Friday, you get the class. So those of you who are yearly members will get all of that this coming Sunday and a week from Friday. And those of you who are not So Confident members can sign up for just this class alone. But all of you need to buy the kit. And this is the kit for the month. It is a black and white stripe jersey. And you can see that because of the grain lines of the pattern pieces, everything gets a little askew, so there's barely any matching. There's only matching on one very short little side seam and a little bit more on one side, but it's minimal. And I talk about how to do that, how to cut out matching stripes, how to sew matching stripes in the video. So there's a lot of information in the video. Not just about matching stripes, but sewing on jersey, the right seam finishes, how to do this dart on one side. This has a very unique waistband, which I'm not going to show you because I don't show my waist to anybody. But it has, for the first time, a waistband that's completely serged on with an opening through which you insert the elastic. Giving you a couple of options for the hem finish. So there's lots of information in this video. And this is the kind of skirt that I think you're really going to wear. If you're not a skirt wearer, this is a skirt you will wear. This is a throw-on casual skirt, or it can be dressed up. It can be made in stripes such as this. It can be made in solids. Linda Wardlow, who you will see in a second, made it in a couple of mixed floral prints in jerseys. It does have to be in a knit, but lots of possibilities. But we hope you'll buy the kit. The kit product is on our website. The class is also on the website, so you can sign up for that.